everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. Well, today I have a Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to try to squeeze in here Goodwill because I don't have a lot in terms of the Goodwill stuff that I purchased. So let's just get right to this. I just did a Dollar Tree haul for you guys, and then prior to that I had done a planning my new planner setup and new planners and things like that video, so I will link all that here. No, I think it's here. Oh, I don't know, but I will link iCards for you guys. All right, guys, so let's just get right into this. This one is going to be Michael's, and I just feel like the setup is. I got a new ring light, and I've been fiddling around with the adjustments on it. Anyways, I'll get it right, guys. I do talk about the ring light in the planner video as well. I'm not going to give a full review on it, and I didn't on that one. It's just I kind of talked about it. I'm trying to use it before I come back and share more information on that. Let's get right to this. Michael's. I picked these up. These are scented. Oh, it smells so good. So good, guys. So I got those for a tin. I have an actual tin rustic bucket that I leave by the fireplace, and that's going to go in there. And then I also picked up these, which I'm going to stick in there. These have little bells. I just got 3 of these. So that's going to go in there with the tin. And I'm also going to be buying some, what do you call that? The plaid buffalo print ribbon to place in there as well. And I got this little one. I have a feeling, I know where I'm going to be putting this, so it's going to go into a floral design that I have. So that, it's so cute. So I picked that up, and then I picked this up, this little sign, this easel, and there's that. That's cute. And all of these were 50% off. Some of the floral stuff was 40% off, but all the Christmas stuff was 50% off. And then finally there at Michael's, I picked up this thing here. If you see my Dollar Tree haul, there I talk about a project, and I bought certain items for the project. This is where it's going to go into. I'm going to decorate this as well. What do I have in there? Oh, looked like I had a piece of paper in there. But anyway, there you go. They had this one, and then they had a red one. I like the red one. The only thing with the red one, and the reason why I didn't pick the red, was because this part right here, it was red, and this part was more like a pewter color or black color, and it just really hid. It didn't pop like it does with the green. So that's why I got the green one. So that was Michael's. Now I'm going to pull everything out for Hobby Lobby and show you that. Hobby Lobby, I didn't get a lot because I did get a lot of planner stuff and stickers and things like that, and my new planner for next year. So I didn't get too much in terms of decoration. So I picked this one up here. This was actually in the fall decor. So I think they were like 50% off, and there was only like 3 left. So I got the 2, but I'm actually going to use them also for Christmas, because you can definitely decorate these, put a little bit of holly leaves, or holly berries rather, and really have these set up for Christmas as well. So yeah, so I got those 2 little ribbons there. And then the only other thing, honestly, that I picked up, like I said, the main stuff was stickers and stuff like that. I got this throw blanket. This one was 50% off, so I got this. I like the colors, and this one's going to be kept out for Christmas because these are all Christmas colors. There was 2, and I was going to get the other one, but I do think that I picked this up last year, so I have one of these already. I'm hoping because I really doubt that this is there anymore, the other one, but I have 2 chairs that swivel, and they're in like where the fireplace is at, and I kind of wanted to hang those on those chairs, so I'm hoping I do have 2. If not, that's okay. I'll definitely use this for Christmas time too. So that was all that I picked up there, and now I will set up for the Goodwill. Okay, so I got this top that you see here. I'm gonna stand up. I love the colors. It has elastic at the bottom, and it's really nice. I love that print, that mandala print. And it just has, like I said, elastic down here at the bottom, and then the sleeves are just some short sleeves, and then you just tie it right here at the front. I bought it, what was it? I bought it yesterday afternoon and had it in the washer last night because I knew I wanted to take it to school today. So it's just so pretty, and I got compliments on this. I got so many compliments on the colors. And this little shawl thing here, I bought that at the thrift store too. I bought this a long time ago though. I probably, like at the beginning of summer. It's cropped, so it's like a little shrug. It's a 3/4 sleeves. Yeah, I didn't buy this yesterday. I've had this one now. So let's see what else. There's something. I am so excited about the last item I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm super excited. Anyways, I bought this purse. Everything that was blue was 50% off this week. So the thing with the purses and things like that, I've been carrying this one, or wearing this one, however you want to say it. This is another Goodwill find that I got, I don't know, last year, maybe at the beginning of this year. But I've been using purses like this right now because this I can stick in my book bag for school. This does not take up a lot of room. It's not heavy. I don't put too much in there. And then on the weekends, if I go somewhere special, I'll either keep it or I will use one of my other purses that are a little bit more bigger. But for school, I'm really starting to use these types of books or purses where I could just stick in my book bag. But anyway, I saw this one there and I thought it was really, really nice. This is from 9 West and it's a red one. It's a red one. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's pretty in the sense that it feels, this, I don't know if this is, I don't think this is leather. I don't think this is leather. I think it's either like a vinyl or that, what is that, PU material. But I liked it because this is so extremely soft, and then it has like a sort of modern feel to it, doesn't it? With a big stitching, and it's from 9 West, and crossbody if you wanted to, very thin. Like I said, I don't fill it up with too much, and the inside was extremely clean, very, very clean. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't even smell. Like sometimes purses smell. This one doesn't smell. It's very, very clean. Very clean. And this one was $7.99, $8, but again, everything was 50% off, so I picked this up. Like I said, I don't have red. And I did pick up one top and I left it downstairs, actually 2 tops, but they're for my eBay. They're not for me. One was a LuLaRoe cream color with little white or little black polka dots. And then one was a Lane Bryant purpley top, and that's for my eBay though. But let me show you what I was most excited to have found. I was super excited because I am in school, and also I do have my book bag, and I'm not going to switch this out for the book bag that I have. I'm not going to switch it out because I know eventually the book bag that I have now will eventually start tearing on the shoulders and things like that, as you know, just from wear and tear. So I was so excited to find this. Let me show you. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Adidas black with bright pink. It's coming off purple, but it's actually a very bright pink. I don't know if this was used. I don't know, because everything inside is very, very clean. I checked all the zippers. Everything works fine. This is like a laptop, I would think, kind of a bag to keep your laptop or Chromebook or whatever. Or your planner stuff. So everything is clean. Everything. Let me show you this zipper compartment here as well. Oh, Ooh. Okay, hold on guys. I'm gonna zip the main compartment up. Okay, that's the main compartment. Oh, it's a little dirty right there, but that's the main compartment, okay? This zipper right here leads to the main compartment, but the little inside pocket, this inside pocket, it's actually on the main compartment. I hope that makes sense. You just have easy access to it. I didn't know that. I did not know that. And then so when you open the main compartment, that particular pocket is right here that you reach through with this zipper. That is pretty neat. But it is really big, very spacious. Lots of little compartments inside. It still had the shoulder strap, very nice and thick and cushiony, or you can hold it with the 2 straps like that if you wanted to. Now this is a yellow tag and this was only $7.99. That is it, $7.99. I could not believe it. It'll be used right now for my planner to keep a lot of the planner stuff, and so that when I sit down on either Saturday or Sundays and I start working out the budgets or I start working out my week, everything will be in here that I'll need. But my main stickers and things like that, I do keep in my drawers. Lastly, this little sucker fell out. I bought this little MAC purse. This is from MAC. And there you go. It's a metallic, this is metallic threading. You hear that? This reminds me of a sponge. You know, those scouring sponges, those metallic ones that you use to really get things out. That's what this reminds me of, that fabric. Obviously, it's not as, you know, it's softer. But yeah, that's what it feels like. It's very foam feeling to it too. So it's a little different. But yeah, I just got this one. Just, yeah, because it said MAC. Really, honestly, that's all I bought it for. I saw it there and I was like, oh, that'll be cute to house my little lipsticks and things like that, because on my book bag on the side, on the not the main zipper, but the easy access zipper that's on the side, I do keep like lip glosses in there. I keep my lipstick in there and things like that, and it'll be nice to just put that in here and then put that in the book bag, so in case it opens or anything, it'll be okay. You know, it'll open inside here. I just got to disinfect this a little bit. This one was $2.99. I think this is more than what I would have paid for any bag, but again, because it said MAC, I got suckered in. I was suckered in. Anyways, my friends, that is it. That is everything. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to go and check out the other 2 videos that I have, my haul videos for you guys. Yeah. So anyways, my friends, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all very, 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 very soon, especially because I do plan to go back to the Dollar Tree, and hopefully I'm looking for a specific plaque. The lady did say that she's not for sure that they'll get any more in, but they are replenishing still for Christmas items. Like, I got the camper, but I'm looking for the plaque, and both Dollar Trees that I have don't have it. So all right, my friends, that's it. I will let you go, and I'll see you soon. All right, bye.